guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken tamal that's extremely delicious and super easy to make. So if you want to learn how to make it, tag along and let's get into it right now. Perfection. For your ingredients, we're going to need your dry corn husk, which you can find at any Mexican food store, or you can get it at Walmart as well. Next, we're going to need your masa, which you can buy at a store-bought made already, or you can buy the powder to make it at home. If this is your first time making tamales, I suggest buying the store-bought one already. That way you can master the basics and then you can move on to doing it by yourself. The third ingredient is salsa verde, but don't worry, I have a recipe making a fresh one. But if you want to cut time, there's nothing wrong using that store-bought one. And of course, for the final product, you have to get chicken. Which one? That one's completely up to you. It could be breast, it could be thighs, or it can be legs. Start by placing your corn husk in a bowl, and we're gonna hydrate them with some hot water. Now place something heavy on top and let them submerge for 30 minutes. That will help them soften up. For your salsa, we're gonna add your tomatillos, jalapenos, onions, and garlic. Cover them in water and boil for 5 minutes. Once your tomatillos has fully softened, we're gonna put them into your blender, add cilantro, chicken bouillon, and a pinch of salt. Now blend until smooth. Now we're gonna season your thighs with salt and pepper on both sides. I picked thighs over breast, but you can do whatever you like. Then we're gonna sear your chicken for about 2 minutes on each side. Now we're gonna add all your salsa verde. We're gonna bring it up to a quick boil, then we're gonna cover and simmer for 30 minutes. Once your chicken is fully cooked, we're gonna shred it thinly. Now grab your husk and you're gonna look for the soft spot, not the one that has a little gritty in here. Then we're gonna add a dollop of your masa and we're gonna spread it evenly. Quick tip, when you're spreading the masa, you can either use a spoon or you can use a bench scraper. That one is completely up to you. Now place the chicken in the center and we're gonna go ahead and fold it one way and then the other. And then we're gonna pinch the tail all the way to the top. Pinch the top real quick and then set it to the side. Now we're gonna grab your steam pot and we're gonna fill it with some water. Just enough to fill it to the top of the lid. Now it's very important that when we put the water, we have to bring it up to a quick boil first and you start seeing steam to come out. Then, place your tamales into your steamer with the face side up and then we're gonna cover it with the kitchen towel, the lid, and then we're gonna steam this on low heat for an hour and a half. If the water's not boiling and steaming, then when you put in your tamales, it's gonna take an extra 30 to 40 minutes because the water has to come up to temperature to start steaming. Once the tamales finish steaming, we're gonna grab them and we're gonna let them rest for about 10 minutes. This is gonna help the dough get really nice and firm. Now for the best part, we're gonna have to do the taste test. I wish you were here because this smells super phenomenal. Oh wow. Man, this tamal is super delicious. The chicken has tons of flavor and then the masa is really moist, not dry at all. And literally, it's that easy to make the super delicious chicken tamales at home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more recipes that are coming right up. Get ready to be the favorite child. Let me show you the easiest way to make homemade tamales that are perfect every single time. Literally, it's that simple to make homemade tamales.